Want to know how to get started with Qdrant on your account? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you a small beginner's guide on how you can easily get started to using Qdrant. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Qdrant application or the website. So we have also created similar videos like how to log in and everything in order to access your dashboard. So make sure to watch it. So now once you have logged in and completed setting up your account, you should be right here. And on the left side, you should be seeing clusters, just simply like that. And if you are a new user, you should be able to create a free cluster for the first time. Again, this simply like create, and then it's created easily, and it should look something like this. Again, this simply open the cluster. So I'm just going to open this one right here. And now what you can do is you can just simply copy the API key and use it on your website. So it should be right here. And you can just simply copy it and use it. And once that is done, you can also scale them and also head towards cluster UI and also access cluster by selecting access cluster right here. And you scroll down, you can also get access with your data, the node, the disk that you have used, RAMs, and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.